Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add the widget to your home screen using Easy Notes so that you don't forget about your tasks. First, just open the app and then choose a note that you will need. Hold your finger on it and you will see this function, add the widget, either under the note or above the note. So click on add widget, choose the widget style, click on it and then add it to your home screen, or before that you can change the font size as well or the opacity level. Okay, add to your home screen, click add, and now you can see that I have it right here, but you can easily move it if you would like to. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.